Now we have a wind advisory because now the whole system is beyond us, but we have strong winds following this system. Rainfall, pretty impressive in some spots. In fact, we even had a couple of 2-inch rainfall reports. All right, those first bands of rain beyond us now, and even the last band of rain. We do have a few little sprinkles and light showers around the Berkshires, which could even mix with a couple of snowflakes as cold air comes in. And this is the next system. We will get a break, though, because it will be slow to move. So we'll have a bright day tomorrow and a bright day on Wednesday. We are cooling off steadily. It's already down to 53 in Boston, 44 at the airport in Worcester, and low 40s now in the Berkshires as well. Wind gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour, and those winds will stay the same or get a little stronger overnight and early tomorrow as the cold air continues to funnel in. So here's a look at Boston. Of course, once we get rid of the rain around mid-morning, we had that nice window of 4 or 5 hours without any rain, which was great for most of the runners. And then the second band came through. And you see here on time lapse, right between 3 and 3:15 and 3:30, some quick showers coming through the Boston area. And then the skies started to brighten once we're after 4 o'clock, at least brighten in the sense of some breaks in the overcast. So I know we have a windy 24 hours ahead, 2 bright days, and there will be some wet weather returning most likely in that Friday, Saturday time frame. Nice looking sky. Check that out. 53 degrees in Boston. We're just a couple of minutes away from sunset. We won't quite see it because there are clouds on the western horizon. But there's the wind steady at 25 miles an hour. And that's the story. Any additional moisture stays south of us through Wednesday. However, by Thursday, this warm front approaches and we'll start to get an increase in cloudiness then. So it's gusty winds tonight. Sky should completely clear late tonight. 30s and low 40s as you wake up tomorrow morning, but feeling colder with those strong winds. A bright day tomorrow, a windy day, a chilly start, but it will be in the 50s to around 60 at mid-afternoon tomorrow. We always do a little bit better when we have that wind coming off the land as opposed off the chilly ocean this time of the year. Tomorrow will be that kind of a day. So there you see the northwest winds and the clear skies through Wednesday. Clouds start to come in Thursday. Could be a few sprinkles, nothing much. But Friday and Saturday could be a little bit different. And the reason is another slow-moving system will eventually draw warm air up, but also bring in some tropical moisture. So we'll probably be a little bit wet at times on Friday, and somewhere in there, maybe centered somewhere close to Saturday, will be some heavier bands of rain. Hopefully enough of it moves offshore so that we get some partial clearing for Easter Sunday, and then it looks a little chillier beginning of next week with an ocean wind taking over. But again, definitely be fine-tuning as we get closer to the big holiday weekend. I'll see you later tonight. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.